Hello and welcome to our kitchen.
Today we're going to show you how to make feel-good muffins. They're delicious and they make you feel good. For the muffins, we're going to need some
Banana, flour, oat, butter, oil,
prunes, buttermilk, vanilla paste,
vanilla paste,
bicarbonate of soda, cinnamon,
scale,
muffin cases,
tray, mixing bowl, mixing jug, spoon, knife, fork, tray, cooking bowl.
That's right.
Make sure you wash your hands properly.
We've washed our hands, tied our hair back, got our aprons on, we're ready to go. Heat the oven to 180 degrees. Line the muffin tray with muffin cases. Can you do that? 1 pound, that's it. Well done. There you go. How many are there together? Could you count for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So how many muffins are we making?
12 muffins.
It's counting, thank you. Weigh and measure all the dry ingredients and put them in a mixing bowl. Okay, can you put 70 grams of oats? How many do we have?
6.
That's it. Okay, so now we're going to put 240 grams of flour into the oats. Now we're going to add 140 grams of brown sugar. Now can you add the last spoon for me, please? Thank you, that's perfect. What's the number now?
Even more. 140.
That's right, that's how much we need. We're going to add 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. Can you do that for me, please?
65.
Now just the 3. 1. Well done. Nice and slow. It needs to be full. Nice and slow. 2. Very good. And 3. Wonderful. You can mix it for me. Thank you. And now for my secret ingredient, green cardamom. Can you add a couple of teaspoons, please? 1.
But not all of it.
Not all of it. That's lovely. That's enough. Thank you very much.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, okay. Rub all the ingredients between your fingers to make sure they are blended together. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Sorry. There you go. Put the spoon in. Perfect. A little bit more. It needs to be a full teaspoon. There we go. Thank you. And mix well. Mash the bananas with a fork. Thank you for your help. That's very good. Okay, we need 200 milliliters of buttermilk. Can you show me what 200 is?
Mommy, also 200.
Very good. So can you tell me when to stop, please? When it goes up to 200.
Stop!
Excellent, thank you. And add your buttermilk to the bananas.
Stop.
Add 1 teaspoon of the vanilla paste. Keep mixing. Thank you. Ready? Ollie, we need 8 tablespoons of oil. Can you count with me, please?
Yeah. 1.
Good.
2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8.
Okay, we need 200 grams of prunes. Can you tell me when we come up to 200, please? How are you chopping the prunes, Ollie?
Very good.
Are you chopping them as small as you can?
Yeah.
Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix briefly. Do not overmix, or that will make the muffins hard.
What's over?
When you mix a lot, when you keep mixing, and that will make the muffins hard. So what we're going to do,
Too hard?
yeah, we're just going to very briefly mix until all the ingredients are combined.
It's combined.
When they're all together, when they don't look like two separate types of ingredients. See? When the wet and dry ingredients are just combined, add the prunes. And again, mix just a little bit so the prunes get mixed in. Do not overmix. Spoon the mixture into the cases using 1 big spoon and 1 small spoon, or 2 small spoons. And use the other spoon to take it off the spoon. That's it. Hold on. Perfect. Hold that. Very good. All the cases are nearly full. They are ready to go in the oven. They are ready to go in the oven. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, but do check with the skewer if they are ready. When the time is up, shake the muffins with a skewer to make sure they're cooked through. Stand back to let the steam out. Skewer comes out clean, which means they're ready.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Enjoy! Bye bye!